This is the 1080p dash cam. Unboxing. Including the package is a user manual, card charger, USB charging cable, suction mount, dash cam. Here we go look at the design. So you have your reset, camera, on the left you have camera, there's the indicator lights, the LCD screen, the up down, the power on off. Here's where you connect the USB charging cable and your SD card slot. Install an SD card. So you want to make sure that the gold part's facing down and it goes smoothly. Here I'm ready to show the video settings. So you have your resolution, loop recording, time lapse, HDR, exposure, motion detection, next is record audio, then date stamp, G sensor, and parking monitor. Here I'm going to go through the camera settings. So you have your capture mode, resolution, sequence, quality, sharpness, white balance, color, ISO, still, exposure, anti-shaken, quick review, and date and stamp. Next I'm going to do the general settings. So you're going to do date, time, auto power off, on, beep sound, language, setup, frequency, screensaver. Here's where you format your SD card, default, and version. So here we're going to look at the daytime footage. As you can tell, you could see the license plate at front. In fact, you can even see the ones on the side. The resolution is extremely clear and crisp. As you can tell, the unit does well during movement. Also adjusts well with all the different lights or shades while you're driving. Here we're going to look at the nighttime footage. can see the license plate right up front. Still clear and crisp. So I hope this video helps you in your decision buying process. And if you have any questions, just ask. And if you like the video, please like or subscribe. Thank you. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.